Hello beautiful people, Assalamu alaikum. The all new Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 250 is here. I just drove the beast. It's amazing, seriously, and we are offering unbeatable prices. So don't miss it. Call us today and grab your Prado before it's gone.